Don't worry. With LiFE's maintenance reporting system, it will be fixed in no time. To start reporting an issue, go to address liferesidential.co.uk. Then click the round menu icon on the top right corner of the page and select Report Maintenance Issue. On your phone, you can also add the page to your home screen by tapping the download icon on the bottom of the screen and selecting Add to Home Screen. Simply select the picture matching your issue from the front page. Fill in the details, such as model and serial numbers. You can also add photos. Finally, provide your contact details and click Send. Your problem is reported. Now, that was easy, wasn't it?